Let's stop. Yeah. Oh. I want it to be there. Just oh my god. Oh my god. Hello guys, compliments of the season to you guys. This is Frankly speaking with Zombie. I hope you guys are having a great time this season. Yes, this is a season of love. Let's all remember to spread love abroad and also be safe at this time. So guys, this is your favorite sheep. Yes, Groovy and Phyna. Yes, both of them today they were at the cinema for the selling of tickets of the movie Ijakumo, and as of the moment as I'm speaking to you guys, the whole ticket has been sold off. Kudos to these two, so lovely. I'll be leaving you guys to watch some clips, okay, from their visit at the cinema, from their arrival to everything that happened. You'll be seeing it here. So guys, enjoy these beautiful clips without interruption. Also, do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share the video for us. A comment also will be highly appreciated. Thank you. Let's stop. Yeah. Oh. I want it to be there. Just oh my god. Oh my god. Is the one ready for you? Are they ready?